you lose the blues in Chicago, Chicago. The folks who visit all settle down. Oh, on the stage street, that great street. I just wanna say that don't know all the way. You have a time of your life. Bring all your friends, all your feet, and the right to Chicago, Chicago, my hometown. Okay now, baby. Bring all your friends, all your feet, and the right to Chicago, Chicago, my hometown. Hey now, Chicago, Chicago, my hometown. Yes. You told me how to boogie really slow. You told me how to twist. Tell me how to laugh. Mama, teach me one thing more. Oh, teach me how to shimmy like you and Daddy do. Oh, teach me how to shimmy so I can shimmy too. Mama, there's gonna be a dance tonight. You gotta teach me that I'm free. Oh, Mama, if I don't know how to do it right, Chico's gonna steal my cheek. Oh, teach me how to sing like you and Daddy do. Oh, teach me how to sing so I can sing it too. Teach me how to sing like you and Daddy do. Oh, teach me how to sing so I can sing it too. Sing like you and Daddy do. Oh, teach me how to sing so I can sing it too. We are need to party. Come on now, got to get this party. Dance with the boogie and dance with the boogie. When boogie nights are always down. Got to keep on dancing, keep on dancing. Got to keep on dancing, keep on dancing. Boogie nights, get the groove, let it take you higher. Boogie nights, make it move, set this place on fire. Dance with the boogie and dance. Say the girls are something else on Broadway.
On Broadway.
But looking at him, just give me the blues.
On Broadway.
Tell me, baby, that you need me. Say you'll never leave me. Love me tonight. Oh, baby, now my heart is aching, and I feel it's always breaking. Love me tonight. Something is burning inside. Something that can't be denied. I can't let your eyes go my darling. Love me tonight.